Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Booster Channel. If you get nervous while speaking English at the airport, don't worry. Today's lesson is just for you. In this podcast, you'll learn simple, natural, and confident English for real airport situations. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me.
Hi, Emily. I always get scared speaking English at the airport.
Don't worry, Alex. Today, we will practice real airport English together, slowly, simply, and confidently.
Emily, I am at the airport. What should I say first?
Excuse me, where is the check-in counter?
Excuse me, where is the check-in counter?
Very good. Now ask this. Which terminal is my flight?
Which terminal is my flight?
Perfect. You already sound more confident.
Hello, I have a flight to New York.
May I see your passport, please?
Here you go.
Great. Now ask these important questions. How many bags can I carry? Is my bag overweight?
Is my bag overweight?
Nice. If it is overweight, they may say, you need to pay extra. Stay calm and polite. Where are you traveling?
I am traveling to New York.
And if they ask, what is the purpose of your visit?
I am going for tourism.
Excellent. Always say clearly, here are my documents.
Here are my documents. Emily, how do I confirm my gate?
Ask politely. Excuse me, is this the gate for New York?
Excuse me, is this the gate for New York?
Yes, you may board now.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Perfect. Polite English always works. Would you like tea or coffee?
I'd like coffee, please.
Good. Now try this. Can I have some water, please?
Can I have some water, please?
See, you are doing great. Great job, Alex.
I feel much more confident now.
If you practice these sentences daily, you will speak English smoothly at the airport.
Emily, what if I need help on the plane?
Simple. Say this politely. Excuse me, I need help, please.
Excuse me, I need help, please.
Good. Now imagine you feel cold.
Can I have a blanket, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you so much.
See, polite English always gets help.
We landed. What should I say now?
You can say, thank you for the safe journey.
Thank you for the safe journey.
Now at immigration, you may hear, welcome to New York.
Thank you.
Simple, calm, and confident, that's the key.
Emily, where do I collect my bag?
Ask like this, excuse me, where is the baggage claim?
Excuse me, where is the baggage claim?
Conveyor belt number 5.
Thank you very much.
Great manners, Alex. Alex, repeat after me with confidence.
I can speak English confidently.
Again.
I can speak English confidently.
That's the spirit. Airport English is not hard, it just needs practice.
Thank you, Emily. I'm not scared anymore. Emily, what if customs asks me something difficult?
Just be honest and simple. Say this, I have nothing to declare.
I have nothing to declare.
Did you bring any food?
No, I didn't.
Perfect. Short answers work best.
Now I need a taxi. What should I say?
Say politely, excuse me, where can I get a taxi?
Excuse me, where can I get a taxi?
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to downtown New York, please.
Great. Now ask this too. How much will it cost?
How much will it cost? I go to downtown.
Almost right, but say, I want to go to downtown.
I want to go to downtown.
Excellent. Small corrections make big improvement. Alex, how do you feel now?
I feel confident speaking English at the airport.
That's the goal. English is not about being perfect. It's about being confident.
I can speak English with confidence.
Alex, let's practice simple conversation you can use with people. How was your flight?
It was good, thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
This conversation helped you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment. I will speak English with confidence. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.